To firmware update your Garmin Instinct 3, it's the very same thing on the AMOLED and the Solar model. You only have to press and hold the menu button, press it again to reach System, select it with GPS, go up again with Menu, twice, and select Software Update here with GPS. Make sure that the auto update is turned on. This way it will update automatically. But if you want to check if there's an update available just right now, the option is just right under. You can select it and it will request for software update, and it will tell you in about at least a minute if there is one available. It is passing through the Garmin Connect app on your phone to do so. Let's fast forward this. And there we go. The software is up to date, so there's nothing to do at the moment. We can go back to the watch face, and this is it. I hope this was helpful.